Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001 here. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money online just by creating simple 5 to 10 second videos and just utilizing those videos to make real money. This is really going to be an awesome method which anyone can do. It doesn't require any of the skill sets. It doesn't require much amount of work. All you have to do is do some work for just 5 minutes and just you can create this type of work. Okay, this is really easy way to make money online. And now let's jump into the content and I will show you the method. In the end of this video, I'm going to show you what tool you are going to use to make this method work. Okay, so this is going to be really important, but if you don't watch the video till the end, you won't be able to understand what I'm going to tell you. Okay, so firstly, what I'm going to tell you is just go to Fiverr and create this type of gig. Okay, these are YouTube intros. Okay, most of the channels you see on YouTube have this type of custom made text or their channel name coming up in their videos. These are known as YouTube intros. Okay, as most of the people nowadays are getting on YouTube, the demand of this type of services is increasing day by day, and in 2020 it is going to boost up even further. So what I'm going to tell you is that you should learn how to create this type of intros. Okay, now I'm going to show you a very simple tool in which you can just drag and drop some of the things and create this type of simple intros, okay, for many of the channels. Okay, so this is what I'm going to show you, and I will also be showing you how you can promote your Fiverr gig, okay, and start making more money out of it. Okay, so firstly what you have to go is go to Fiverr, just create an account and create this type of gig. Okay, if you don't know how to create a gig on Fiverr, there are a ton of videos on YouTube which will show you how to create a gig on Fiverr. Just go and search those videos. Okay, now, and I also suggest you to create one gig on this website which is known as funnel Rolodex. This is also a freelancing website, and this is really particularly a new website, so it has very less competition as compared to Fiverr. So you are more likely to get more clients if you also create a gig on this website. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you is just create two gigs on this both website. You can just replicate watch out one of the gigs over here and just replicate what type of gig they are creating, what type of description and each and every stuff which they are writing. Okay, this is really easy. Anyone can create a Fiverr gig. It's free, and funnel Rolodex gig, it's also free. Okay, now how you are going to promote this gig? Okay, now I will be telling you. Just all you have to do is go to YouTube and just search for this type of groups like small YouTubers grow group, because most of the people who are joining this type of groups are the people who are new on YouTube and they require this type of services, this type of video editing for them. So what you have to do is just go to this type of groups and post it over there that you provide this type of services. If anyone is interested, then they can DM me. Okay, means direct message to you, and you can tell your prices to them and they will ask for an order. Okay, so you are just going to create this 5 to 10 seconds intro videos in which an animated text pops up just like this. See, an animated text will pop up over here. That's it. This type of videos you are going to create. I'm going to show you a really easy and simple tool which you can utilize to create this type of videos. Okay, now this is how you will promote your gig. Okay, all you have to do is just create a post, and whoever is interested will comment and like your post, and what you have to do is provide them this link of your Fiverr gig or your funnel Rolodex gig, and if they are interested, they will do an order from you. Okay, and one another method to do this is that you just have to create this type of videos. Okay, create 10 to 15 videos and just make an YouTube channel and just upload those videos, and write the link and write in the description that if you are interested, I can make you this type of professional looking intros for your channel. So if you are interested, then contact here. Okay, then you have to provide your Fiverr gig or your funnel Rolodex gigs link in the description of that YouTube channel, and you can start getting clients from there also. So these are three of the best ways to get clients, because you get organic clients from Fiverr as well as funnel Rolodex. You get clients for Facebook, and you also get clients from YouTube. So this is a really working strategy which many of the people are utilizing. Now I'm going to show you a tool which you can utilize to create this type of videos. All you have to do is go to Google and type in Panzoid. Okay, Panzoid is one of the best tools to create this type of intros. Okay, it's also utilized for video editing. So here there are many of the free templates which you can find out and create this type of free. Okay, what I am saying is this free intros you can create with this. This is really simple. All you have to do is go to this website, click on one of the templates, and all the editing options will be available over here, which you just have to drag and drop to edit it up. I'm not gonna create intro for here in this video, because this video will become very long. Okay, so all you have to do is just go to over here and edit one of the templates whichever you like. Okay, or whatever your client demands. Okay, that's really easy, and you can charge up to 10 to $100 for such one, this 10 to 15-second clip. Okay, so this is really easy. You can create this type of videos really easily and really simply, and these are some of the videos which are very much in demand today, and its demand will increase in the future. And absolutely in 2020 you can make a killing out of this service if you are providing this service, because more and more people are coming on YouTube every single day. So this is really an interesting thing. So what I'm gonna tell you is that just utilize this tool. If you don't know how to use this tool, just go to YouTube and search for Panzoid tutorials. I have searched, and you can find a ton of tutorials available over there. And if you just learn how to do this, you can just create this type of simple videos in 5 minutes. Okay, so you can just create this videos for 5 minutes, and you can charge that $50 for that 5 minutes. People earn $50 per hour, but you are just working 5 minutes and you are earning $50 per 5 minutes. So this is what amount of money you can make doing this simple work. Okay, most of the people are not doing this, but you can be the one who is providing these services and making money out of it. This is a great opportunity. This is the opportunity for ones who practically want to take action. If you are just coming here to get entertainment from these videos, then what I recommend is that it won't be easy for you to make money online. But if you are really serious, you are definitely going to make money online utilizing this 100% working strategy. So if you like my video, if you like my content, just press the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.